girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to be doing a product review of some Wet n Wild gel lip liners that I ran across in CVS, and I was like, gel lip liners, let's give these bad boys a try. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world. I ended up coming across these gel lip liners, and I like lip liners. I prefer lip liners over lipstick, and gel is an interesting texture, and it just caught my attention. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild first gel lip liner, and it just says perfect pout. These are a 0.07 ounce. They just pretty much say like our first of its kind gel lip liner, especially formulated with a gel complex to deliver innovation with the ultimate performance and comfort. Seamless, flawless application, no tugging or dragging, delivers never-ending color. Because you know how sometimes when it comes to lip liners, if your lips are too dry or whatnot, you kind of like have to tug and pull to apply it. So that's good. And also, what does it say? That's it. So pretty much that's it. So I got 3 colors. I got Lay Down the Mauve. You guys know mauve is my favorite color. Don't Be a Prune, because it's fall time, so we gotta have us some plum. And Bear to Comment, because it's a neutral kind of, and you know, I think these are all great fall colors. So we're gonna jump into them, starting with the color Don't Be a Prune. It looks like this is your typical pencil. This is also a roll-up pencil, so you just roll it up. There's no need to sharpen it, and I like that too when it comes to lip products, because I hate having to look for my sharpener. Like, I really don't like having to look for my sharpener. Like, if I can have a retractable pencil, I'm all for it. All right, so let's go ahead and let's try these on. I'm excited, and I do have a little bit of my Burt's Bees lip overnight lip treatment on, just to give myself some moisture. And that's the key thing to you guys: moisturize your lips before you apply a lip liner. You're gonna appreciate it later on down the road. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply. So this is Don't Be a Prune. Now, before you apply these, you want to make sure you exfoliate your lips, because if you guys can't tell, I have a dry patch of skin right here, and there's a lot of pigment that's stuck to that. So you want to make sure that you fully exfoliate your lips before you apply any lip liner or lip color at that. Another thing that I'm concerned a little bit about this product is if it's going to run. I feel like this would smear. I mean, I like to wear my lip liners as a full color most of the times. I just like the way that it looks. It's a one shot, and many a times to me, lip liners seem to last a little bit longer than lipsticks as a whole over the lip. But the texture of this is not too creamy. It's not too creamy like a creamy lipstick, but it's not super matte. It's like in between. So I'm noticing already when I was lining the bottom part that it was a little bit difficult to get it to kind of set in place. So I'm just curious on the wear of this and how this is going to last. But besides the lovely dry spot on my lip, I think the pigmentation is pretty good. You just want to make sure you're exfoliating. So that is Don't Be a Prune. All right, you guys, so on to the next color. Now I did use a makeup wipe to remove my the first lip color, and I kind of scrubbed a little bit, so hopefully that helps with the next 2 applications so that my lips aren't looking all dry and patchy with the color. So the next color that we're going to try is Lay Down the Mauves, And I love mauve colors. You guys pretty much should know if you've been watching me for some time. This is what the color looks like. I am a mauve girl. I love it. Now, it doesn't look too mauvey, but let's see what it looks like going on. This one is Lay Down the Mauve. I actually like it a lot. It's a really pretty mauvey color. I love it. So the next color that we are going to be using, and the last color that we are going to be using or trying out, is Bear to Comment. And this is the most nudist or the most natural looking color, I would say, out of 3. If I can get it out the box. Come on, Bear to Comment. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I like this. It's a very nice little like color. Okay, and let's go ahead and put it on. This is the Bear to Comment. I like it. It is it's a good neutral. Actually, I would say this is an amazing nude for me. And it's hard for me to find good nude colors. And this is like a perfect nude for me. Like, I would actually wear this. Sometimes nudes don't fit me at all. They're either too pinky, too brown, too tan. They just don't never look right on me. But I actually really do like this color. Okay, so this is nude, or sorry, not nude. Bear to Comment. Really quickly, there are a few key things that I want to talk about when it comes to this product. Number one, you want to make sure that your lips are moisturized and exfoliate, because if they're not, you're going to have a dry texture to your lips. It's going to stick to the dead skin on your lips, and it's going to make that more pigmented, so you'll be able to see that difference in color. It's not going to give you a fluid color across the lips. It will make your color or your lips look patchy, actually. This, so far, from the first one that I tried, what was this, the Don't Be a Prune, it bled a lot. Like, at the bottom of my lip, it just bled so much, and on the top part of my lip, it bled a lot. Now, I did put down a moisturizer before applying that, and I don't know if that I don't know if the moisturizer was too moisturizing and just didn't mesh well and made it kind of all over the place. This last color that I put on with only a little bit of moisturizer on my lips, and it does look to set a little bit better than the first time I applied it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this an even Steven fair game. So I'm gonna wear Bear to Comment on my lips for the rest of the day. It is about noonish, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do some editing. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna drink some wine. I'm going to just do my usual that I do and just let this kind of sit and do its thing. My lips are, they're not dry, but they're not overly moisturized, so they're like right in between. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna let this just be, and I'm gonna come back in a couple of hours and we're gonna talk about my thoughts on it, because I really do want to wear this and see if it works or if it moves or if I have something different to say. But so far I think the colors are really pretty, and I just really want to see what this gel texture is working with. So stay tuned. I'll be back in a couple of hours after getting doing some stuff, have some other videos to film, and I will tell you guys my thoughts on it. So stay tuned. Alright, hello there you guys. I am back with the final review on the Wet n Wild gel lip liners. I am really just wanting to get my makeup off my face, but before I wash all this off, I just want to come back and do the little update. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I have worn this for a couple of hours. I've eaten, I've drank stuff, I just went around, whatever. And as you can see, it kind of stayed put just a little bit. I think more in the inner lip, it's probably kind of worn away. But all in all, it didn't really go anywhere. It didn't really move. I don't know. They're pretty cool. Now, I would say out of the 3 colors, my favorite would definitely be the Bear to Comment, the one that I have on now. Also, I really do like the what's this one called, the other one, Lay Down the Mauve. I like that one. Now the Don't Be a Prune, I have to kind of be a little bit easier with. I feel like you have to really exfoliate. You have to really, you know, make sure that you apply this and it doesn't bleed onto the rest of the face. Like, it just, I think it's a little bit more of a process with this one. But all in all, I do like the textures of these. I like the fact that they're super pigmented. I like the fact that they do last some time on the lip. I like the fact that they're not, you don't need a sharpener. You just roll them up, use them, call it a day. And I like it. Nothing to say bad about them really, besides the fact that they do kind of bleed, or the darker one, Don't Be a Prune, did bleed a little bit down on the onto the face. And I think that you want to be careful with not applying too much moisture to the lips, or else it can be everywhere. But all in all, I do like these products. I would buy them again, and I would use them again, and they're great fall colors. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.